is what I'm gonna do. We're gonna stay in the house because it's way dark. And now we can't go. We can go out there because it's so cold. It's so cold and dark. I can't even see. And we gotta go night with that. It's what we're gonna do because I don't know what to do. And that's what we're gonna do is all night after that. And I don't know what to do because it's only past night. It's only... Whoa.
Can you hear it better?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can hear you.
What I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. I'm trying to look for you, and what I'm gonna do is, and I can look for my mama's thing for her, and she's gonna want her iPad because she needs something. She really needs.
Is that one too fast?
Yeah, that one's too fast. I need one slow.
You want the last one?
Yeah.
That one?
No, not that one. The one that we just did. There it goes. That one. Yeah. What I would do is I would not eat no pizza because I wouldn't eat no pizza. Yeah. This is what we're gonna do. I can help it. Yeah. Hello. It's good. I can live. I'm gonna want it. Hey. I want free music. I don't want that stuff.